right when we are about to start vlogging. And what's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. आका खाता मेरे हाथ से.
Popping YouTube, welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs.
నేను చెప్పేసా.
పర్లేదు నేను కూడా చెప్తా. అంటే literally, you know what? There's a saying, you know, there was a movie, Telugu movie ka saying, వాడుకోవడం ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూపిస్తాను అన్నట్టు. My company, since the time I got my license, has been literally ripping me apart. 7 days in Delhi. I came back on Friday. Saturday, Sunday was off. Monday and today is Tuesday. These 2 days I had my simulator. Simulators are done. I passed my simulators. And tomorrow morning, when you are going to, by the time you're going to watch this video, exactly at 10:45 in the morning is my takeoff. So if everything goes as per plan, tomorrow I should be landing back in Hyderabad by about 6:37. And
Maybe your first captaincy flight.
yeah, no, that will be my release flight. So that is also a check. So it's called a company check. So if I finish that flight properly, I'll be taking off with 3 stripes, landing with 4 stripes, I should say.
So
It's pouring cats and dogs.
we actually wanted to take out the bikes and vlog because the Pioneer is here, and I guess even the tank bag and the sprocket for the Street Triple. We still did not open the box. We need to go down
That is
and check,
basically what we wanted to do this.
but it
video
started
about.
pouring rain, so
We'll do that once the rain thoda subsides. And I need to actually
He's
prepare
churafying my
bag as
dialogues
well.
again. He's churafying
Yeah,
my dialogues.
I'm confused, dude. I honestly still can't believe it how fast things are moving now.
Hey, acha hai na, you'll get back your salary, at least a bit.
Yeah, a bit.
To be honest, our house is actually located on a slope, so that is the reason why we are kind of normal. But if we in a low-lying area right now, flooding hota na. Look at that. It's the camera can capture. Rain na, it's not at all stopping. So we decided to unbox everything in the garage itself. The garage is packed with 4 bikes. Oh.
And also,
Ducati,
Lord,
Africa, Truxton, Street Triple, Aggie's car, and lot of packing boxes, carton boxes. Oh! Open.
box ke andar box.
Hey, we can use that for packing.
Yes.
Don't tear, please don't tear.
Painting packing के लिए use हो सकता है.
So let's save at least a bit of plastic there. Street Triple chain and sprocket. You gotta be alive. The next vlog will be regarding the chain replacement of the Street Triple. DID chain.
DID Pro Street made in Japan, 400 to 1000cc bike. Dude, this is heavy. This is like freaking heavy.
Oh. Probably 2.5 kgs? 3 kgs? So,
Pannier and tank bag. Tank
Okay.
ring also inside.
cool.
We are very sorry if there's a lot of sound or water on the tin shed, but we can't wait any longer to open this.
Scissors नहीं लाया है.
कहाँ है कि
This is the older 30-liter Pioneer, and that is the new 40-liter Pioneer which we got. And this is the right wala and that's the left wala.
it's huge.
Remove the tank bag. I'm gone with the offset pannier. So on the left side of the bike, on the left side of the bike is the 40-liter, and the right side is a smaller 30-liter pannier. So if you see the panniers, they are on different size, but if you look from far, the bike will be actually proportion. I'm sorry, Roshi, you cannot go out. It's pouring rain. We had to cut the vlog in middle. Yeah, we had to cut the vlog in the middle because it was so loud that we had to shout at top of our voices. But regardless, the Pioneer system is ready. The top box is sitting there like a duck here, soaking in rain. Now for the most important thing, let's go and get the tank bag.
I honestly miss this bike. It's been such a long time since I have ridden the Truxie. कल फ्लाइट के बाद कल तो नहीं हो सकता, परसों I'll take her for a small spin. I need to fill fuel in her as well. It's empty. And so we'll take this bike and that bike when we're getting the chain replacement.
For the tank bag system, we have gone with the GV tank bag. There is a tank ring which we have to open up the screws and get this thing fitted. And Rohit is also using a GV tank bag, so that is the reason.
The Ducati tank bag, basically it's a GV tank bag branded as Ducati.
So we had to remove these 4 screws, and we got
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 screws. होता है रे, कभी कभार होता है.
हमेशा होता है तेरे साथ.
Okay, and we have to place the tank ring on top of that. Now let's get past it. It's a flush fit.
And put back the 4 screws.
5 screws.
बेचारा यार हमेशा फंसता है. Okay, first before we continue about whatever is happening,
2 घंटे पावर गया.
Yeah, 2 hours. We don't what do you call the UPS? का connection is not there in the garage, so we couldn't. It was pitch dark. So in the पिछले 2 घंटे, what exactly transpired was loads of rain. There's a lizard there, Srujan. Yes, and my flight for tomorrow has been rescheduled. I'm not flying tomorrow, so it is postponed. So in a way that is good. I'll rest अच्छे से. आज रात को थोड़ा simulator का खत्म हो गया. So that is 99.99999% of all my trainings, everything complete. So आज रात को थोड़ा पार्टी बनती है घर पे हम लोगों को. Yes, and Srujan, back to you, bro.
So we got the tank ring attached to the bike, and this is the tank bag itself. So as simple as that. Fine. See, I'm still I'm still figuring it out where exactly the ring and the locking mechanism is, but eventually I will get used to it. But अरे वाह, lock हो गया रे. So and that's it. It's fixed. You don't have to do anything. And this is
It is a huge
tank bag. The clear case on top where you can just keep a map, iPad or a phone. You also get a accessory iPad pouch on top, but that is not required because you already get such clear case. And there are 2 zips on the sides and 1 zip over here just to keep any change and documents, papers. Regardless, one good thing about this this tank bag is handbag. क्यों आ रहा है? I married shit. So compared to other tank bags which most of my friends have, they only have a handle at front. So even this bag has a handle at front. But you also get a shoulder strap which I can easily attach to it and just strap it on my shoulder. Other tank bags, they don't have this. But regardless, other than that, you have this extra strap which is fixed to the tank bag itself. You have to loop it. Either you can loop it from the handlebar or you can loop it below the triple. And what this does is it gives the extra protection that the tank bag does not come off from the ring. And also, if at all you want to fuel your bike, you have to remove the tank bag. And okay, I'm fine. Yeah. So whenever that loop is not there, I have to hold the tank bag. That is actually difficult. So now I can just keep it aside, fuel up, put everything in place, and you're ready to go.
Pop up in a lot of your heads is this too high to see out or to see your gauge? Answer is no. Your vision is absolutely not blocked. I'll just put the camera. You can actually see the entire
display.
Yeah. So you're actually the eye line of Srujan. What is fallen? Okay, whatever. But yeah. So there's no problem. There's no hindrance there. But again, mind you, when you're getting on an adventure tourer bike, when it is completely loaded, it is actually quite tricky in the sense. Okay, Srujan will demonstrate that because it is very tricky to get on because all your luggage system and this bike has a lot of protection on it. So So
we actually never spoke about this. When you have to get off a adventure motorcycle, I got used to this. Don't sit and get off like other motorcycles on the street triple or the trucks. You stand on the pegs can take your weight. So stand on it, lift your leg, and that's how it's done. Good night. Good night, Chippu. Good night. Mwah. So the current is gone, and garage mein, as you guys know, that there's no UPS connection. So we came back to the house. Bye, Chippu. Mwah.
Bye, Jacob. Bye.
Bye.
Muma bhi okay. Bye. हाँ.
Peace out, on. Peace out. Laughing is together. Peace out, on.
Fist bump.
Fish man. ఇప్పుడు ఆఫ్ అవ్వాలంటే పీసా